On this prawn on a 1/4 on a 3/0. I think it's a 3/0. It's a 1/0. Yeah. Just gonna. There's a bit of wind here. So I wanted to kind of sink quick to the bottom, so I can just bring it back. So if there's something that wants to be hit it, that's pretty much what's gonna be. What's gonna be, I guess. Some fishing here. Let's keep fishing, huh? Let's keep fishing, keep fishing. There's like 2 boils on the top water before. That was it. Nothing else. Nothing else. Let's go. Very shallow here. Not sure if this cloud is actually making the fish a bit spooked. Let me just see if I can cast in front of that drain there. Any fish. Pretty much tough conditions. Flat. Went all the way from the bottom to get this little, to get my fish here. Another flatty. Oh, another flatty, man. Look at this. So good. And this guy here really got it. Look at that. Got it pretty bad. Let's see if I can unhook the bottom one first. Yep, and top one, which is gonna be this one here. And I will see you later. Another flatty. That one is a bit bigger. Things are getting a bit serious now, huh? Things are getting a bit more serious here, huh? Let's see if I can untangle this guy. Ah, he's gone. He was a bit bigger. So I'm trying to undo him. Beautiful fish here. I'm just kind of trying to be very careful because there's like a, I really don't want the water to be my mouth, my hands. Yeah. Damn. Hey, yeah, he's cranky. He's cranky. He's definitely cranky. Let me see if I can film him. Hey, yeah. Beautiful, huh? Jackie, look. This guy here is a, let me just measure him. Let me just measure here. So this guy here is a 35 or something like that. Shoot. He's not very happy. Yeah, beautiful Jackie. Just gonna quit. Can you please let that one go? Let that one go, bro. Let's see if I can film him. There he goes, beautiful fish. But that's it, guys. That's it for the video. Just a quick one here. I ended up catching a few flatties. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Have a good one, and let's go fishing. Yoo!